Welcome to Dream Autos. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the 2025 Ford Torino GT 429, a modern revival of the classic American muscle car that seamlessly blends heritage with cutting-edge technology. The exterior of the 2025 Torino GT 429 pays homage to its storied past while embracing contemporary design elements. Its aggressive stance is highlighted by a bold front grille flanked by sleek LED headlights. The sculpted hood features functional air intakes, enhancing both aesthetics and engine cooling. A fastback roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, where distinctive LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets underscore its performance pedigree. Riding on 20-inch alloy wheels, the Torino GT 429 commands attention from every angle. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a formidable 429 cubic inch, 7.0-liter V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers an exhilarating 550 horsepower and 520 lb-ft of torque, providing blistering acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal performance across all speeds. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission option is also available, offering a more engaged driving experience. The interior of the Torino GT 429 is a harmonious blend of classic muscle, car cues, and modern luxury. Premium materials such as leather and Alcantara adorn the cabin, providing a tactile sense of sophistication. The driver-centric cockpit features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster that offers customizable displays, keeping vital information front and center. An advanced infotainment system with a 10.1-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. A premium 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers concert-quality audio, making every drive an auditory delight. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the 2025 Torino GT 429. Equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist and blind spot monitoring, the vehicle offers peace of mind on every journey. The 360-degree camera system aids in parking and low-speed maneuvers, providing a comprehensive view of the surroundings. Additionally, multiple driving modes, including track and drag settings, allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance characteristics to their preferences. On the road, the Torino GT 429 delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and composed. The finely tuned suspension system strikes a balance between comfort and performance, ensuring agility in corners and stability at high speeds. The precise steering offers excellent feedback, making the driver feel connected to the road. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling winding back roads, the Torino GT 429 inspires confidence and excitement. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Torino GT 429 is a masterful blend of classic muscle car allure and modern innovation. It respects its heritage while embracing the future, offering enthusiasts a vehicle that delivers on both style and performance. For those seeking a car that embodies the spirit of American muscle with contemporary refinements, the Torino GT 429 stands as a compelling choice. Thank you for joining us at Dream Autos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.